Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to make the money from YouTube channel very easy and quickly. Before going to the topic, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And in today's topic, one guy who's making simple ad reaction videos, making a almost 20k per month, $20,000 to $30,000 per month. Now I'll show you how he's making and how he's making millions of money from his channel. Now we are going to see he's a reaction blogger. His name is he's from Pakistan and his channel you can see here. He's from Pakistan. He uploaded 3,200 videos, 1.81 almost near to 2 million subscribers. He created this channel 2012 years. Now I'm going to show you deeply into this channel. In this channel, every day he's posting two shorts, he's posting only trending topics. This guy is from the reaction blog. He's from Pakistan. He entirely making videos on Hindi reaction videos. We in Hindi we have he's picking trending topics in Hindi what is the latest trend. In recent videos he's copying the recent he's downloading the recent trending viral reels, shorts, viral some from other platform. What I'm doing is making shorts 15 to 20 seconds of shorts. In the shorts is making his growing his channel fast. Now in this what he's doing this in these videos his every day is to post one to three videos depend upon his video. Every alternate day he's posted he needs to post 2 to 3 videos a day, and he is to post every alternate day is to post one video. One per week is to post 3 to 4 videos. He's making content a recent topics. So he's making his recent news and recent trending, recent topics in because of that topic he's making huge money. If you see here, his channel is 10k, 13k, 6k. He's choosing only trending topics to make money from YouTube. He's entirely targeting with the Indian content, entirely targeting the Indian he's picking only Indian content. He's targeting Indian trending videos to make video. From sitting in Pakistan, he's making around 30k from YouTube channels. These are some of the recent this is the most popular Big Boss was the most popular even happened in the last episode. That's why we got around 16k. He's choosing only his thumbnails also not that good. He's making simple thumbnails. Easy Big Boss. He's recently started getting the Big Boss content. Right now Big Boss is trending. That's why if you want to start any reaction video, start with a Big Boss, because Big Boss has a huge potential here. You can target he has huge potential to grow your channel very fast. You can see here he's targeting only Big Boss, nears of Big Boss, and you can see Big Boss 6A and Big Boss OT3. And the last 4-5 videos, 4 videos on Big Boss and Vada Pav outside. This is the recent Carmina is the Indian popular YouTuber. He has highest subscribers on his channel. Carries comparatively he has almost for Carmina is he's crossed 30 to 40 million subscribers. I think so. For Carries is 10 million. I don't know exactly. In between 10 million subscribers to his channel. This song is making money in this channel. If you create this channel, I can show it. He is using this for recent videos, for recent ideas. This type of approach he is using. You can see here. For those videos, he is a vertical, and for new videos, he is a vertical type of reaction video. By making this reaction, it's very easy to make a reaction video. Take any trending value trending videos, and if you want, you can mail them. Ask them, I want to make a reaction on your video. Just make a reaction. Reaction videos are not. You can monetize your reaction videos. I can show you. Many of you have doubt that whether my reaction videos are monetized or not. You can see here. There is ad is display on this channel. You don't worry about the reaction video. Pick the content topic properly. So we can easily. You can easily. Within short period, you can easily monetize your channel. If you can, if you target it, you have to make a calendar 100 days target. First to make a 100 days calendar to make your initially at least try to make 2 shorts, 1 video. So you can easily, like if it is possible, you can make two shot, like a four five shot. Like if you make one video, from that video you can make cut the shots and upload shots. After uploading shots, you need to post your video. Like one more thing here, after others post a video, and later one by one post for like a morning one shot, evening one shot, like morning 11 o'clock, evening 5 o'clock. You can see the best time to post, like a once once you became like once you get more views, so you can Google Metrics show you what is the best time to post. In between, you have to half an hour before you have to post that time. This is how it's very simple. There's no, you can make it your, like you can make this reaction videos like with the help of your phone. Otherwise, you can use your laptop to make a reaction videos like this. And I hope you like this is the complete roadmap to create a new reaction channel. Is not fixed with a particular niche. Like he's targeting every niche. He's targeting entertainment. Like for Gurati, he's targeting a trending guys who are available on internet. Entirely targeted on Indian customers. Why? Because Indian has use like a use database. We have 1 million of like sorry 140 crores of population. That's why it's very easy to monetize. Very easy to penetrate in the market. In the simultaneously, you have to post YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. So you can easily make money from 3 platforms. This is how this thing works. I hope you like this video. Make sure subscribe to my channel for more video money making videos like this. Thank you. Stay tuned.